When you are looking at a machine that costs $5,000, you aren't just buying a laptop. You're investing in a piece of engineering that rewrites the rules of what is possible on the move. This is the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i, and it is quite simply the most powerful portable system we have ever seen. At the heart of this monolith is the Intel Ultra 9275HX. This isn't just a processor, it is the ultimate brain for a machine that knows no limits. Whether you are compiling massive datasets or rendering 8K video, it doesn't just work, it dominates. But the real star of the show is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090. This is the pinnacle of Blackwell architecture, delivering a level of ray tracing performance and frame generation that makes standard gaming laptops feel like relics of the past. To match that raw power, Lenovo has equipped this beast with a 16-inch WQXGA OLED display. With a 240 Hz refresh rate, the motion is fluid, while the OLED technology delivers infinite contrast and colors that practically jump off the screen. It is a visual experience that is as precise for competitive gaming as it is beautiful for cinematic masterpieces. Inside, the specs only get more ridiculous. 64 GB of DDR5 RAM ensures that your workflow remains uninterrupted, no matter how many heavy applications you have running at once. Then there is the storage. With 5 TB in total, combining a 4 TB internal SSD with a 1 TB docking station, you have the space to store an entire digital empire. From the futuristic Wi-Fi 7 connectivity to the per-key RGB lighting that glows with intent, every inch of this laptop screams premium. It is built for the elite, for the creators who need a workstation that rivals a desktop, and for the gamers who demand nothing less than the best. If you are ready to stop compromising and start dominating, or if you just want to check out the current pricing for this ultimate setup, the link is waiting for you in the description below.